This 2025 K-Z Sportsmen Select 260BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep's 4 LP Detector, Skylight, Slideout, Awning, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, smoke detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 K-Z Sportsmen Select 260BH is 4,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.